My name is Ricardo Fuentes, and in this video we're going to go to the steps on how to install the required support for Intel Intelligent Storage Acceleration Library on a Hortonworks Data Platform version 3 cluster over a Linux CENTOS 7 OS. Intel Storage Acceleration Library is a collection of optimized low-level functions targeting storage applications. It's developed by Intel. First, we're going to check for the ISIL library presence on the current cluster. To do that, we're going to write Hadoop check native, enter. This will show us that in this case, the library we're talking about in this video is not present on the system. So right now, for install the library, we require some packages to have it. We're gonna do a yum install gcc make autoconf automake libtool yasm and git. This is a very straightforward process and it shouldn't take too long. After we install the required libraries, we're gonna clone the ISIL repo from Intel to this machine. Okay, it's cloned. We're gonna enter the repo. Then we're gonna execute the script present on the distribution of ISIL autogen.sh without parameters. This is going to configure the environment to... Okay, we are set. Right now we're going to configure the environment for 64 bits. And now we're going to make the binary. Depending on the capability of your system, CPU, RAM, etc., this process can take a little bit or not, as this case. Right now, we're going to install the binary on our system. So it's installed. And to finish and to check if it's installed, we're going to do Hadoop check native. And as you can see, right now, ISIL library is supported by Hortonworks Data Platform. So we're done. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.